Have you ever wondered why Singapore's dollar note is considered one of the most advanced currencies in the world? This is not just a piece of money. It's a symbol of trust, technology, and extreme security. The note contains hidden features most people never notice, including raised ink, holograms, color-shifting effects, and invisible protection. The most shocking part, every single serial number is tracked at a government level, and these notes are produced inside ultra-high security facilities where each note passes through dozens of inspections before entering circulation. But how is this currency actually made, and what secret process is hidden behind it? Watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more amazing videos like this.
This section of the orchid garden needs a higher line density for the engraving, and ensure the contrast on the president's portrait is maintained across all light levels.
Galasnum, Cinnamon near Beaten of Inlets, no snares from the Shane Amanda, special needs that. Alp was a gate up, style ships.
Seal engaged. Number verified against manifest. Authorization confirmed. Transfer complete. Case secured in Bay 3. Seal intact. Confirmed on manifest. Verified.
Clearance confirmed. You may proceed.
Roger that. Thank you.
Here are your Singapore dollar bundles and your passport, sir. Everything is verified.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
The color.
Here you go.
Thank you. Let me just verify this quickly. All right, you are all set.